In this video, we are going to learn about musha or crucibles, different types of musha, their shape, materials used in the preparation, and the uses of mushas. Definition of musha. Reference Rasaratna Samuchaya, Chapter 10, Shloka 2. Mushnati doshan musheyan sa musheti nigadyate. Mushnati doshan means that which, mushna means harati. So that which removes the blemishes or doshas from metals or minerals, it is termed as musha. Another reference of Rasatarangini with same meaning is Mushnati doshan yasmat sa tasmat musha prakirtita. So, to conclude, the crucible or musha is a substance which is used to remove the dosha or blemishes from the metals or minerals. Coming to synonyms of musha, musha hi kraunchika prokta kumudi karahatika pachane vanhi mitracha rasavadibhir iryate. Musha, it will destroy doshas of the mineral. Kraunchika, that which has a beak like that of Krauncha Pakshi. Kumudi, like Kumuda Pushpa. Karahatika, that which makes hataka or gold. Pachani, one which digests the material. Vanhi Mitra, Vanhi means fire, Mitra means friend. When it is heated on Agni, it will not burn nor it gets destroyed. The mrittika or the soil used in the preparation of musha, mrittika pandura sthula, sharkara shona pandura, chiratmana saha sahi mushartham atishasyate. Tad abhave cha valmiki kaulali va samiryate. The mrittika or the soil used in the preparation of musha should have following properties. Pandura, pale in color. Shona pandura or reddish white in color. Asharkara, without stones. Chiradmana saha, which can bear intense heat for a long time. Tadabhave means in abhava or when it is not available, one can use kaulali mrittika, that is potter's clay, or Valmiki mrittika, that is anthill soil. So the materials used in preparation of Samanya musha are reference Rasaratna Samuchaya. Ya mrittika dagda tushaihi shanena shikitra hayaladdina cha lohena dandena cha kuttita sa sadharana syat khalu mushikartha. So, the materials used in preparation of Samanya musha are mrittika, that is soil, shana, jute, dagda tusha, burnt husk, hayaladdi, horse dung, lohena dandena cha kuttita, loha kitta, small pieces of rust. Angara or shikitra, it is coal. So, these are the substances which are used in preparation of Samanya musha. Moving ahead with the other types of musha. Vajra musha. Materials used are mrittika 3 parts, shana 2 parts, laddi 2 parts, tusha 1 part, lohakitta half part. All these ingredients are mixed to form a paste and then made into a crucible or musha. Then it is called as Vajra musha. Use of Vajra musha is Satvapatana. Next one, Yoga musha. The ingredients used in preparation of Yoga musha are Dagda Angara, Tusha, Valmika Mrittika and Bida Samayukta. Bida means ksharay amlaishcha gandhadyaihi mutraishcha patubhihi tata Rasagrasasya jeernartham tad bidam parikirtitam. So according to this, the combination of kshara, amla, gandhakadi, mutra, patu, that is lavana, is called as vida, which is able to digest the rasa or parada grasa. So the preparation of Yogamosha goes, the combination of Dagda Angara, Tusha, Valmika Mrittika and Bida is made into a crucible, and then Bida Vilepana, that is a lepa of Bida, is given to form Yogamusha. The use of this musha is Rasa Sadhana and Sadhita Suta Gunavattara, means the parada processed in this will be Gunavattara, having good qualities. Vajradravani Musha. The ingredients used include Vrittika, Gara. Gara refers to mud or clay obtained from lake. Bhunaga Dauta. Bhunaga Dauta is the sediment which is obtained by washing Bhunaga or earthworm. Then Shana and Dagdatusha. All these ingredients are taken, mixed, and Mardana is done with Mahisha Dugda, buffalo's milk, and Musha is prepared. As the name suggests, uses Vajra Dravana, that is Dravikarana of Vajra. Garamusha. The ingredients of Garamusha are Krishna Mrittika 3 parts, Gara 6 parts, Kitta 1 part, Angara 1 part, Shana 1 part. Mardana is done with Dugda and Musha is prepared. Yama Yugma Agnisaha, that means it can withstand Agni for Yama Yugma or 2 yamas, which is approximately 6 hours. Uses Dalanado Visheshena. So this musha can be used for purpose of dhalana. Varamusha. Ingredients: Mrittika 4 parts, Gara 4 part, Vastra 1 part, Angara 1 part, Tusha 1 part. Musha is prepared. Yama Agni Saha. This musha can withstand Agni for 1 yama. Varna musha. Pashana Rahita Rakta Mrittika means red colored soil with devoid of stones. Rakta Varnambu Bhavita. So that Mrittika is given bhavana with the kashaya of Rakta Varga Dravyas, and Musha is prepared. And to this Musha, a lepa of Sphatika and Kasisa is to be given. Use is Varna Utkarsha, to enhance the Varna. Raupya Musha is another type similar to Varna Musha, but instead of Rakta Varga Kashaya, here Shweta Varga Dravya Kashaya is taken, Shweta Mrittika is taken, and Musha is prepared. Use Shweta Varna Shasyate, imparts Shweta Varna. Vrantaka Musha. As the name suggests, it is having Vrantaka Akara, that is resemblance to Vrantaka or brinjal. The reference says Nalam Dwadashangulam, Dattura Pushpavat Urdhvam, Sudridam Shlishta Pushpavat, Ashtangula Chidram. So when we try to understand the preparation of this musha, it could be that firstly a crucible, oval-shaped crucible with a narrow mouth has to be prepared. Then a pipe fitting into the mouth of this crucible having length of 12 angulas is to be fit. The upper end of this pipe should have resemblance to that of Dattura Pushpa or flower of Dattura. The approximately length of the upper part resembling the Tura Pushpa must be 4 angula, and below that the pipe extending to the mouth of the crucible is 8 angula. Put together it is 12 angulas. The use of this musha is Kharparadinam Rudu Dravya Sattvapatanam. That is, this musha can be used for Sattvapatana of Mrudu Dravyas or soft drugs like Karpara. For any queries, doubts, suggestions, please comment below. Do like and subscribe our channel for more such videos.